fabricate up some sort of mount for the Tesla motor here. So this is just part of making them out.
I think it's gonna be difficult because the motor's gonna be running in reverse, and you gotta write a bunch of stuff and make a bunch of stuff happen because you're running it in reverse. But once you pass that issue, I think it'd be pretty simple and straightforward once you get it going.
It should still have maximum energy in reverse, right?
Yeah, it should. It should just be the same as going forward, but the way it's built, and you gotta, you gotta mount it and make it work backwards. So it's definitely like a slight challenge, but shouldn't be that difficult.